Hello everyone, this is Clement here from Ophio, and today we'll be creating this.
A sci-fi looking video to promote your product, inspired by the Guardians of the Galaxy. To get started, let's add a headphone into the canvas. For this example, I'll be using my headphone image. Drag and drop the image into the canvas. Next, let's remove the background. Add a space background. Move the product to the right space and adjust the colors. Add a zoom out effect animation. Press spacebar to preview. Now, let's add some shockwaves into the composition. Select Graphics, Effects, and go to Shockwave. Use this shockwave. Bring the layer below the headphone and set it to screen. Do the same for another shockwave and adjust the color. Let's add the text in real quickly by using this text template. Change the colors of the text to white. Now let's push it further by glowing this header text. To do that, select the text and go to Effects. Click the text shadow button. Change the color to white and minus the transparency. For the finishing touch, add some glitch into the animation by going to the Effects Glitch folder. Select the Glitch V3 and place it into position and adjust the hue. Done! Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and as usual, the possibilities in Ophio are endless. Hope today's tutorial sparked some inspiration for you guys to create some awesome stuff. I'll see you guys next time.